Yo, what's up? This is current vlog setup, roughly around $3,000 Canadian for this setup. What we have is a Sony a6500. Typically runs for about $2,500, and a $500 microphone, $400 microphone actually. This is the Rode Video Pro Mic Plus. Kit lens for the Sony a6500, roughly around $250 for this lens, and Joby Gorilla Pod. That is not the extended version, which is like the heavier version, the X5. This is actually the cheap one, about $70, if that, for $50 for this Gorilla Pod, which is great for this mirrorless camera. So you can see the setup I have going on for current vlogging rig that I will be doing more daily videos on and whatnot. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think of this setup, and let me know if you have anything similar or any suggestions for it. There's also links in the descriptions to the Amazon purchase links if you guys are looking for gear. It helps out the channel if you get it through the links listed below. Definitely thanks for watching this video. See you guys later. Peace.